This video contains the basic information about this website. Basically, it covers what is contained in this website and how to use it and who should use the content of this website. So let us first basically understand that this website contains material to support in addition to classroom coaching. So this is a supplementary to classroom coaching, and it contains learning material in the form of videos, notes and learning checks. So it contains videos, notes and learning check tests. So basically these are tests. Now there are three types of video this website has. The first is subject videos. First is subject videos. And these are the videos which is as per the curriculum of CBSE, and they are given topic by topic. Each topic is broken into number of videos of duration around 8 to 10 minutes. So they are short videos, and each video covers one topic, one subtopic. Within one topic also one concept, and they are done in a very chronological order, the way the NCERT course material is as per CBSE syllabus. And while the student can basically use these videos for the initial appreciation of the topic and also for subsequent revision of the topic, and it is useful for the first timer to watch the video in the sequence in which they are presented on the website. And as these are short videos, you can watch the video and the student will understand the concept. So subject videos are primarily meant for students. Then after that, there is second type of videos, which are videos on smarter way to study, on smarter way to study. Now these videos are giving tips and tricks to the students to be more effective in their studies, as well as in terms of writing the examination. So this basically tells the technique for memorization, technique for taking notes in the classroom, also then making your own notes for revision during the year, and also how to write the examination well, how to plan the examination, how to manage your time during the study. So throughout the year, what is your habit and what is the process you should follow, one can follow to basically become more smarter in studies and more effective in studies. The third type of videos are for parents. Videos for parents. Now today, parents are also equally stressed about studies of their children, and these videos will help parents to reduce their own stress and contribute effectively towards improving studies of their children. So these are basically videos which are giving like some tips to the parents in terms of how to react, how to communicate with their children, how to help the children in the matter of their studies, how to basically interact with the teachers and what type of messages we are giving to our children. Sometimes, our messages are also resulting in stress to our children. So so these are the three types of videos. Let me again summarize. The subject videos, this is meant for students, and this one and the video on smarter way to study is also meant for students. So these two type of videos are meant for students. The subject videos are basically covering the content, covering the fundamentals of the subject in short videos of 8 to 10 minutes, and they are done as per the syllabus in the same order. Whereas the smarter way to study is basically telling the tips and techniques to the students in terms of improving their study method. And the videos for parents is actually meant for parents, where they can, when they are confused, how to deal with their children. So it is giving certain help to the parents in terms of better appreciation of the needs of our children, and also these videos will help in reducing the stress of the parents. Now, in addition to videos, the site also have some more content, and this are like important notes. So for example, in case of maths, it gives like list of formulas, list of theorems, list of definition and terms which are there in each of the topic. So these are something like summary which is available for the student, and this will help in terms of revising the subject. So that is very useful for students. And also there is learning check. Learning checks are multiple choice type of MCQ type of test paper, where the topic has been distilled in terms of questions. And if you have understood the fundamental of the topic, then you will be able to answer these questions correctly. So basically this is putting the topic in a different way, and basically it will help in terms of verifying whether you have understood the concept or not, whether the student has understood the concept. And because these MCQs or the learning checks are available on this website, the student can try out after understanding the topic, both from the videos as well as from the teacher in the class and in the coaching class. Then the student can attempt the MCQs and then see how how much learning, how much fundamentals he or she has grasped. If he has not grasped the fundamental, he or she student can go back to the video and ask the question from the teacher, and then again repeat the MCQ to basically keep verifying whether the fundamentals he or she has understood are correct or not correct. So this is a very quick way of verifying what you have learned. So this is what the website contains. It is basically providing the support to the coaching the students will have, and this is also going to help in revising the subject for the students. Thank you.